Warm rain trickles down my face. Thoughts of you take its place. It's every single ounce of grace not to feel this empty, lost in space. But it's true, walking here without you. And I knew what this was gonna do. Writing one more little song as my mind it races on, and darling, something just went wrong, but damn, I don't want it to be gone. Walking down this empty road, I am followed by your lovely ghost, and rain it falls down my face. And every time I'm at this place, it takes every single ounce of grace just to keep this sad smile off my face. Give me one good long sad song, and I will just hum along, and wishing you could hear this song all these times that are long gone. I don't have anything to prove, but I know this, honey, I loved you as much as sometimes I don't want to, 'cause it only makes me blue. I always try to do my best, but sometimes there is nothing left except for little bits of emptiness and soft-sung words that put my mind to rest. If I found you on my doorstep, that would be heaven sent. But I understand some things won't be. Forgive me if I indulge these memories, these what ifs and regrets. I mean, they won't ever let me be. Warm tears, they run from my eyes as thoughts of you take me by surprise. It's every little ounce of grace just not to forget your face.